Whether you're ready to apply for your first job or next job, it's good to know and highlight your soft skills. Aloha, and welcome to the No IELTS Center Soft Skills Workshop Series. This series will provide tips and strategies for growing your soft skills. According to Indeed.com, soft skills are skills that go beyond your technical, measurable abilities. Hard skills can be learned from a traditional class or experience, while soft skills require real-world practice and application to master. Some examples include communication, problem-solving, creativity, adaptability, and more. They help you to quickly adjust to a new workplace environment and are easily transferable to any job, organization, or industry, as different jobs may require the same soft skill for different reasons. This workshop series is designed to help you learn about different soft skills and introduce techniques on how you can practice and develop them. Just scroll down our website below this video to access the links that will direct you to the different videos. Each video contains a brief quiz so you can test your knowledge and/or show proof of completion. In addition, if you'd like to enhance your resume, you can request a certificate of completion for the series. See details below for more information. Treat the workshop series like an a la carte menu and pick and choose which ones you would like to watch. Happy viewing!